The Kalasatama Library in Helsinki, Finland opened in January 2024. This unique multipurpose public library is conveniently located at Redi Shopping Centre, adjacent to Kalasatama Metro Station. The library facilities interior was designed by Helsinki-based firm Rune Berg Design. The library's surface area is 436 square meters and the interior design is set to fuel the imagination of the visitor. The comfortable and colorful rooms are full of books, board games and places for friends to meet and hang out. The library has activities for all ages, but with a primary focus on children and teenagers. Locals were invited to be involved in the planning process of the milieu and a total of 838 people participated in a library design workshop. Some of the ideas can be seen, for example, parts of the unique furniture were first sculpted by children using clay models. The library floor plan includes spaces and nooks suitable for reading and relaxing. One of the library's leisure areas has a cave-like atmospheric corner where users can enjoy a quiet and calming reading zone. The library's collection of children's and young adult literature is extensive to encourage local teenagers and children to read more. Apart from this, there is also a small section of books for adults that is thoughtfully organized with changing themes.